It is a crappie, isn't it? Yep, it is a crappie. A nice one too.
Yeah. Oh, we left the measure up. I know he 9 though. I know he 9.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna get the measure anyway. No, I can't find the crappie measure nowhere. I hope I didn't leave it on the bank last night when I gave one of my subscribers a G. And I took everything out of there. I don't see the crappie measure, so we're gonna go with this. Alright. That's 11 right there. I put some lines on here. That's 11. That's 10. So he almost 11. 10 and 3/4. So we're gonna get some water in the bucket. Hope y'all can hear us for this wind, guys. This is super windy.